Are you ready to see something truly mind-blowing? Look at these stunning videos. Yes, all of these are made using just one tool. No need for jumping between multiple websites or using different tools. This tool gives you AI video creation, image generation, voice, and even music, all in one place. And guess what? The process is so simple, even beginners can use it. Now you might be wondering, which models are behind all this? Well, this one platform gives you access to top AI tools like Kling AI, Runway ML, Luma Dream Machine, Midjourney, Ideogram, 11 Labs, Suno AI, and many more. All right, let's jump into the demo. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how you can create amazing videos like these in just a few minutes, using this powerful tool. Trust me, it's a total game changer. So the name of this tool is Clipzap. It's really amazing. To try it, just go to the link in the video description, click the link, and it will take you to Clipzap's official website. Then simply sign up using your Google account or email. It's very easy. Now let's talk about what this tool actually offers. Honestly, it has so many features that if I start explaining everything here, this video will get super long. So I'll just highlight the main features that I personally found really amazing. But once you start using the tool yourself, you'll definitely discover even more cool stuff. In this video, we'll walk through a few key features. First, we'll create a video from text. Then we'll try generating stunning images from text. After that, we'll turn an image into a video. And then, we'll explore the powerful face swap tool. So, let's not waste any more time. Let's start the workflow. First, we'll convert a simple text into a video. On the right side, you'll see an option called New Workflow. Just click on that. Then, you'll need to choose the text to video option. After that, pick the video model you like the most. I'm using Kling AI here, but feel free to choose whichever one you prefer. Here, you'll find multiple top video models like Minimax, Runway ML, Kling AI, and many more. You can pick whichever model you like the most. I'm using Kling AI for this example. Once you select the video model, you'll see a clean and simple dashboard. It's basically like a canvas. Here, you just create your workflow. After choosing your model, you'll enter your prompt for the video right here. First, you'll see a prompt box where you need to type what kind of video you want. Just write something that you like or whatever is in your mind. It's totally up to you. Once your prompt is ready, the next step is to choose how many videos you want. You can select just one or more if you want to try different versions. For now, let's keep it simple and choose one. Now just click on the Run button, and boom, the workflow will begin. You'll see the process happening step by step. It only takes a short time, and your video will be ready. Once your video is generated, you'll see how powerful this tool really is. The quality is super high because Clipzap uses top AI video models. Look at this. Our video came from just one line of text, and it looks so professional. This is how easy it is to generate videos using Clipzap. No complicated settings, no switching between tools, just one platform and simple steps. Now, let's create an image from text. First, go to your homepage, then start a new workflow. Click on the first node and choose Text to Image option. Here, you'll find all the top image generation models. Pick your favorite model. Enter your image prompt. Select how many images you want to generate. Then just click on Run, and your workflow will start. Wow, just look at these amazing images we got here. Because top models are available, the image quality is absolutely top-notch. Now, let's convert one of these images into a video, so you can clearly see how the image-to-video feature works and how easily you can turn your images into videos. Okay, to convert your image into a video, first come to the homepage and start a new workflow. Then choose the image-to-video option. You'll see top models for video creation. Pick your favorite one. After that, upload your image and enter the prompt for your video. Select how many videos you want to generate, then just click the Run button. Your video generation will start right away. After a brief pause, boom! Look at how stunningly our image has transformed into a video. The quality is absolutely top-notch, literally amazing. This is next-level stuff. and you're going to love the energy it brings. So guys, this is how you can easily turn your image into a stunning video. All right, now let's check out another awesome feature, face swap. So first, come to the homepage and start a new workflow. After that, select the face swap option and choose the Clipzap model. After choosing the model, you need to upload an image of your target face and a video where you want to do the face swap. Once uploaded, just click on Run, and your workflow will start. In a few moments, you'll get a stunning, awesome quality video with a perfect face swap. Guys, look at this. This is how you can do face swap in any video you want. This tool does a perfect face swap. Seriously? See how amazingly it changed the face? So, this is how you use the face swap feature here. Okay guys, now let's take a look at the plan offerings this tool has for us. Seriously, all those multiple tools out there, whether video models, image models, or anything else, if you get all of them available in one place, that's really a big win for us. It's way better than paying separate subscriptions for each tool, so trying this one tool makes a lot of sense. And hey, like I promised earlier, you'll find the BitNext exclusive discount link right below in the description. Just click on it, sign up, and you'll get special savings when you start using the tool. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends so they can also save money by using just one tool instead of paying for multiple subscriptions. I'll be back soon with another amazing tool. Until then, take care and see you in the next video. Goodbye.